we are in Pershing Square, downtown Los Angeles, on a fabulous day. Let me do a 360. I'm on 5th and Hill, downtown Los Angeles, doing a 360 periscope for you. Here we go. Beautiful. There's a train station across the street. That train will take you to Hollywood, Union Station, Long Beach, and the beach. As of May 20th, look, May 20th, I'm going to periscope the opening of the West Side train. It's going to take us all the way to the Santa Monica Pier, baby. So by May 20th, I need a brand new bicycle to take on the train. Don't you agree? Isn't it a beautiful day in LA? Pershing Square. Hi, it's me, Queen Raw, your daily scoper. I'm downtown. I'm on my way to go have breakfast with my daughter. She's cooking breakfast for me. I feel happy, don't you? It's Friday. Have your best day ever. Queen Raw said that. And make sure you're following me, because I'm going places. See you later.